Okay, so I milled 4 of the 5 black walnut logs I have. I ran out of time today, but I milled all these up to 5/4 thickness. So the goal is to have these kiln dried and available for crafter wood by the holiday season when this stuff is in really high demand. It's pretty beautiful stuff. I feared if I milled it too thick, I won't have it ready by the holidays. So we're going to give this approach a try and see how it does. Good looking stuff, and I got the logs for free, so it's a nice little perk. Nice looking walnut. Okay, we're all stacked and stickered and we're strapped down, and now it'll sit here for about 4 or 5 months and shed all this free water off, and then I'll throw it in the kiln.